and meet in the center of the box, and oh! Overhaul gets thrown into the screws quickly.
Sawblaze just scooped him up.
Oh! The pulverizer getting in on the action.
Hold it, hold it.
He wants to trap him with the hammer, and oh, there it is! He drops the saw!
Oh, and he's cutting him
Back
up.
out, back out, back out.
Charles Guan and Overhaul need to create some space to catch a breather here. Oh, and he shows Sawblaze's backside.
Uh-oh.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, Jamison Go just bullying.
Whoa! Big spark.
Big time! I didn't know we brought a welder inside the box.
It's that reach of Sawblaze right now, Chris. Oh!
Oh!
My goodness. Oh! Big shot.
Kenny, those sparks are impressive, but it's that giant scoop on Sawblaze that just keeps banging Overhaul into the side of the box.
Yeah, he's beating him up badly.
Look at this. He's cut right through it. Spit flames everywhere.
Hey, buddy, get back to school, man. He needs to practice driving.
Wow!
Kenny, Jamison Go and Sawblaze is a bad, bad man.
Wow, he really is. He cut right through that crusher of Overhaul, and he's in trouble.
I don't know if he's stuck or if his motor's blown, but Overhaul's not moving, Kenny. Here comes the countdown.
Hey!
Jamison Go enters the battle box and puts his